Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures Travel Planners, and I have a surprise for you guys today. We are going to look around the Nickelodeon hotel room in Riviera, Maya, and this hotel is not open yet, so this is kind of a hard hat tour. It's scheduled to open in December or after, but I want to take you on a quick tour around the room before this resort is even open. It's a special sneak peek just for you guys. Stay tuned. We're gonna walk right here in the front door of this Nickelodeon family suite. To the right here, there is one of two bathrooms. And you can see here, there's a sink. It is a full bathroom. So, right in here, great big shower. It's so huge. Look how nice that is. Oh my goodness. I just love the green lights. I don't know if you can see it, but let's look in here. This is the toilet closet in the first bathroom. And you've got some shelves right there to put things in. All right, I'm gonna take you guys out here into the main room. And there's lots and lots of closet space, lots of storage. Keep in mind, this is just kind of a showroom, so there's some extra pillows and some extra things that are here for everybody to look at. But you can see there's an iron and an ironing board right there. Right here on the left is a door that can connect to one other suite. This suite sleeps 5 people. So if you have more than 5, you can do the connecting suite. I like how the artwork is very subtle Nickelodeon, so it's not so much in your face, but very subtle, very pretty. This is the mini bar, and this is restocked every day. Who would not love this? Whose kids would not love to dig into this? I know mine would. They get to dig into all those goodies every day and eat whatever they want, and it's all included. Again, lots of storage. I'm gonna turn around here so you can see the big master bedroom. Look at the artwork on the wall. It's so adorable. And look, notice this. This master bedroom closes. There are sliding doors that closes off this bedroom completely from the rest of the room. Right in here is the living room. This couch pulls out into a bed. And here's a Murphy bed for the 5th guest. And a nice little table for everyone to sit around. And I like the colors, the bright oranges, the greens. Look at that rug, it's gorgeous. Now, every suite here faces the ocean, and every suite is a swim-up suite. We cannot go outside because they are not finished. But this is a ground floor level that's a swim-up suite, and it will take you to the main pool when they're done. There is 6 floors, and every one of the rooms is a swim-out suite into your own private pool. These pillows are so bright, and they're so soft. Look at the adorable artwork on the wall. I'm going crazy over this, and I'm trying to rush through it because I have a limited amount of time to show you guys this. But here we go. Here's one TV in the main living area. And then go into the master bedroom, and there's another TV in there. So no fights over TVs. I know we have a lot of those in my family. I just like how subtle and clean the decorations are, but let's go check out the master bathroom. Double sinks. You can share with your kids if you feel like it, or keep them all to yourself. Double sinks and mirrors, lots of storage, bright colors, all the SpongeBob characters, nice big soaking tub. That looks so nice. And sliding doors here that close. And you can see I'm looking out into the master bedroom here now, and on the left past the TV, those doors slide all the way closed, and there is a sliding door straight out as we're looking out past the sliding doors that go outside. So this little master suite can be enclosed completely. I like that alarm clock. That's really updated. How very cool and trendy. Okay, let's take a look in the master bathroom. Have your toilet closet here. And another shower. Another full shower with the rain head shower. Those are so nice. If you have long hair like I do, sometimes it's tough to get the shampoo out of it. And it's completely flat, so walk in, roll in. Hi everybody again. But this is such a neat suite. I encourage you, if you have kids, if you have a family and you want to bring your family to visit Cancun, you need to book a stay in the Nickelodeon Hotel. This hotel also has shared privileges with El Dorado Generations, which is family friendly and has a lot of fun activities. Also shared privileges with El Dorado Casitas and El Dorado Royale. So Royale and Casitas are adults only. They're a short golf cart ride away or a short walk away, but you can leave your kids with the kids programs if you are adults and go for a little bit of adult time to the restaurants or visit the other shared properties. The Charisma resorts are amazing, guys. They have something for everyone. They've done such a nice job on this. The lights, the wall colors. I like the texture on the wall, and look at the ceiling. The lights in the ceiling are just so neat. The colors, the grays, the teals, the oranges. It's not Nickelodeon in your face. It's very subtle. But here's another closet in the hall. And again, there's extra pillows that will not be here. They're just here for samples for this showroom. A safe here. Some more drawers and storage for your shoes or your luggage. Again, lots of really cool pillows and colors that are just samples for this showroom example. But thank you so much for joining me on this tour of this room. I'll walk through one more quick time. Just so you guys can see. Again, my name is Melissa. Most of you know me. PixieDustAdventures.com is where you will find my travel planner website. You can book your vacation through me at no added cost to you. I like that rug even. Very neat. I know I'm gonna be here. My kids are gonna wanna be here. All right, and here's the hallway going back out the front door. There's a closet right there on the left, kind of another coat closet. Thank you again so much for joining me on this hard hat tour of the Nickelodeon Hotel and Suites. I hope to hear from you soon, and I'll help you plan your vacation. Click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notifications when we post new videos of our adventures. Thank you for joining me. See you later.